Hello everyone, welcome to Malkal Code channel. Right. My name is Abraham William. I help people to write code in becoming web designer. Right. So why I'm here today? Today I came, guy. Right. I'm sorry, guy. It's been a long time for you. Thank you so much for people who subscribe on channel. Right. And thanks so much for people who encourage me to do a lot of uh, tutorial for them. So because the reason I create this channel, right, I said before, is I want to help everyone. I want to help any student, right, any person, whatever type you are. I want to help you to become the next successful faster, right? To become a next web designer, right? To also discover your purpose or something that you love it, right? I don't know its purpose, but I'm not sure about that. But something that you love it. But also for me, I want to make something. I want to help you to discover a little bit something that you can do, right? That can help you in the future, right? So coding is not something hard, but it's hard at first time for me. But today the reason I'm here today, I just came right to make you a simple tutorial how you can use JavaScript, uh, how you can use JavaScript right with a slider, right? There's there's several video, there's several video that I'm going to create for you guys. How you can use JavaScript with a slider can use your scope with a slider or maybe with a form or showcase, right? Or navbar or footer or section or whatever something. All this type of website or no, all this part of website, right? Those of them we can discover how we can use your script with them. So I think the reason I'm going to create all this sort of video for you guys because I want to make JavaScript for you to become much easy for you, right? For people who just want to begin to learn JavaScript. Yeah, JavaScript is so hard, right? But I think by the time you spend on practice, by the time you sit down and you practice all these case, I think for you guys I just can become much easier for you guys. Yes, on YouTube there is several video there. Many people learn JavaScript on one hour. How you can use JavaScript right on different part of just on website. Right, that's the main reason I create this video. So I think guys, I hope this tutorial is going to be helpful for you, and also this tutorial is going to be useful for people who are advanced on JavaScript, and also people who don't have idea about JavaScript, right? Not also JavaScript at all, but also there's a tutorial that I created recently, how you can use how you can use how uh, you can create Squarespace, how you can create website Squarespace, right? That's also a video I'm gonna publish it maybe by this week or maybe by next week, right? This tutorial also is very completely ready for you, for people who are waiting how to practice or maybe how to create your own website, right? For a store, or for a restaurant, or whatever type of website that you want to create. So Create Space is very good for you guys, and all these tools is very useful for you. And then to practice. So by practice, you become good on thing. Whatever something you want to learn, just if you spend a lot of time on practice, yes, practice sometimes give you practice make boring, but also it's good by the time you've done all these things, right? So you are not going to spend a lot of time on anything at all after you done practice a lot of time on anything. Just practice is boring, but practice is good. Yeah, make headache sometimes also for me. But this tutorial is gonna be simple and also it's gonna be fun for people who know JavaScript very well. So let's jump on PC. See you.